A deal signed in silence, a price tag that stunned the entire industry and anxiety spreading through Israel's defense corridors. This is not routine diplomacy. This is not just business. This is Israel questioning its own red line. $2.3 billion, the biggest defense export deal in Elbit Systems history. For weeks, the buyer's name was hidden. A strict publication ban, almost no public information. Now we know. The United Arab Emirates. But what exactly is Israel selling here? Not bullets, not drones, not radar parts, but J Music, one of Israel's most advanced laser-based aircraft protection system. This system is designed to do just one thing very flawlessly: detect incoming heat-seeking missile, track them in real time, fire a laser beam, blind the missile's guidance system, save the aircraft and people inside. It's kind of technology that pilots trust with their lives. But you know why this means so much? Because this is the same class of technology Israel uses to protect its own military aircraft, and once exported, it can be studied, tested, analyzed. Now that's where unease begins. Inside Israel's defense establishment, three fear dominate. Fear 1, technology leakage. Even without intent here, advanced systems, they leave digital footprints. Engineers learn, technicians adapt, patterns are exposed. Once knowledge spreads, it cannot be recalled. Fear number 2, China. The UAE has deep technology and trade links with Beijing. China is known for aggressive defense research and reverse engineering as well. Israeli analysts, they worry that could Chinese engineers gain indirect exposure? Could sensitive design principles be replicated? Could Israel air defense secrets end up in Chinese lab? Israel has clashed with the US before over Chinese access to its defense sector, and this particular deal, it revives those concerns very quietly but sharply. Fear number 3, and the most sensitive one, is Iran. Nobody is suggesting a direct transfer. That would be unthinkable here, but intelligence communities, they don't think in straight lines. They think in path. Knowledge leaks, tech evolves, countermeasures are deployed. And Iran is continuously trying to understand how Israel protects its aircraft so it can learn how to defeat those systems. Now, this strikes at Israel's core doctrine, the qualitative military edge. For decades, Israel has ensured that no regional player had advanced military weapons as Israel had. Not just stronger weapons, smarter ones too. This deal, it blurs that boundary. Supporters of the deal argue that the UAE is no longer an enemy. The Abraham Accord changed the region. Strategic partnership brings stability here, and yes, Israel's defense exports are booming after the Gaza war. Demand is high, profits are massive. Critics push back really hard. Today's partner, they could be tomorrow's pressure point, and advanced defense tech is not just hardware, it's knowledge power. Once shared, it reshapes the entire battlefield, and remember, most details remain classified here. But you know which aircraft will use the J Music? What limitation exists? Who maintains the system? Who has the access to the software? The silence only deepens the anxiety here. So here's the real question. Is Israel strengthening its strategic partnership, or slowly they are giving the advantage that kept it secured for decades? Because in this region, weapons don't just defend. They teach enemies how to attack better. And sometimes the biggest risk, they don't come from enemies. It comes from deals that are signed in the confidence.